2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class review. For the final in luxury and technology, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class remains a highly regarded pick. As the latest generation Mercedes-Benz S-Class reaches the halfway reason for its life cycle, it receives the customary refreshing to hold it competitive against new arrivals. Those add the BMW 7 Series, Porsche Panamera, and then years redesigned Audi A8. To its credit, the S-Class can have remained a top-notch pick within the premium luxury sedan class with no subtle styling tweaks and added features. That's how good it actually was. A little more affordable S450 model debuts in 2010. Its V6 is recorded on horsepower when compared to the S560's larger V6, but otherwise it's got the same exhaustive number of features. It's the affordable here. The taxi driver assistance features aren't as well executed as we can have expected, or as advanced when they might be portrayed, so we're more inclined to feed on those options. What's playing is a stately sedan through an impeccable interior along with a smooth ride that keeps occupants blissfully isolated from your harsh outside world. Quite simply, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class exceeds expectations. What's new? The 2018 S-Class carries a slightly updated look due to a restyling in the headlights, grille, and back and front bumpers. Inside, there's an updated command infotainment system, a regular wireless charging pad, along with a new energizing comfort system that links various car features together to simultaneously pamper occupants. Other changes add a new S450 trim level, a different function to the suspension that promotes body stability when cornering, along with a few motorist assistance systems. Even although term entry-level most likely are not watchily relatable to premium luxury, the newest model addition to your stately 2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class lineup is our pick. The new S450 makes about 100 fewer horsepower compared to S560, but it really still has more power than most drivers is ever going to need. Sure, there will be something to be said for one-upmanship when it reaches this lofty level, but exchanging a little power to the cost savings is worth it inside our opinion. Plus, the S450 has all on the S560's standard features and is also eligible for equally many options. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class can be obtained as a 5-passenger sedan, 4-passenger coupe and convertible cabriolet. The S450 is obtainable as a sedan only as you move the S560, Amg S63 and Amg S65 can be found in all three body styles. The main difference among these trims is what's in the hood. Starting things off may be the S450 sedan. It's powered with a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine, 362 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque that sends power towards the rear wheels via a 9-speed automatic transmission. Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is obtainable as an option. The S560 features a turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 engine, 463 horsepower, 516 lb-ft, but is otherwise equipped similarly. The all-wheel drive technique is standard within the S560 coupe yet not available within the convertible. Standard feature highlights include adaptive LED headlights, auto-dimming and power-folding mirrors, a panoramic sunroof, an electricity trunk lid, an air-ride adaptive suspension, keyless ignition and soft closed doors. On the inside, you have a virtual instrument panel, leather upholstery, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with heating and memory functions, an air fragrancer along with a power rear sunshade. On the tech front, the S-Class is included with remote control over some features by way of a smartphone app, a radio charging pad, a 115-volt household power outlet, a 12.3-inch display with Mercedes command infotainment system, a navigation system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 13-speaker Burmester surround sound system. Standard security measures include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and also a drowsy driver warning system. The S560 coupe and convertible add ventilated front seats, premium leather with an automated parking system, but go without worrying about household power outlet and rear sunshade. The convertible also comes with a folding soft top, air scarf neck heating, and also the air cap system that deploys wind blockers atop the windshield and between the corner headrests. Naturally, Mercedes gives a wealth of options to further solidify the S-Class luxury status. You'll probably want the premium package, consisting of front multi-contour seats with massage functions with instant heating as well as a surround view camera system for that coupe and convertible, whilst the sedan also adds ventilated front seats, power rear sunshades plus the automated parking system. A head-up display is additionally included for that coupe and convertible. If safety can be a priority, the driver assistance package bundles a large assortment of advanced driver safety aids. To keep rear passengers completely comfortable, there is the executive rear seat package for your sedans, which consists of multi-contour seats with massage functions plus a power reclining right rear seat with ottoman and seat cushion airbags. There's also an optional executive rear seat plus package that replaces the very center seat, which has a console and includes an entertainment system and refrigerated compartment. Other add-ons include Magic Sky Control dimming tint with a sunroof, Magic Body Controller predictive suspension for sedans using a tilting function when cornering, a night vision camera, a head-up display, a rear seat wireless charging pad plus a 26-speaker premium Burmester sound system. The Amg S65 includes a sportier undertake luxury using a turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 603 horsepower, 664 lb-ft. A performance-attuned all-wheel drive product is standard in conjunction with unique exterior treatments. The Amg S65 ups the ante using a turbocharged 6.0-litre V12 621 horsepower, 738 lb-ft, and it is only available with rear-wheel drive. The Amg models add some premium package, 20-inch wheels, upgraded brakes, an adaptive sport suspension, a hobby exhaust, unique sport modes and satisfaction apps, the surround view camera as well as an IWC clock sedan only. The S65 adds further enticement with standard Magic Body Control, a leather headliner, the premium audio system along with the night vision system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S on this review derived from our first drive on the Mercedes-Benz S450 4MATIC sedan turbo 3.0 litres V6, 9-speed automatic, AWD. Driving. Don't believe the new V6-powered S450 base model is any less capable compared to traditional V8-powered S560. Even though it's in a 101 horsepower disadvantage, there's ample power to the typical driver. Acceleration. The S450 gets as much as highway speeds with no trouble. Mercedes estimates it's going to reach 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds using the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system 5.0 in standard rear-wheel drive. This is approximately 0.4 seconds slower versus the V8-powered S560. Braking. The brake pedal is moderately firm and simple to modulate, which makes it appropriate for a considerable luxury sedan. Under heavier braking, the S450 is confidently poised and controllable. Steering. Steering is effortlessly light at parking zone speeds and builds as speed increases. On the highway, maintaining a straight cruising line requires hardly any effort within the part with the driver. There's little or no feedback, nonetheless it's not missed in the big luxury sedan similar to this. Handling. You feel all from the weight on the S-Class when cornering, nonetheless it goes around turns with little drama. It doesn't encourage aggressive driving, but there's an underlying confidence it's capable of swerving around obstacles without losing control. Drivability. The S450 is extremely easy to drive, requiring little effort through the driver. The sheer size in the car is really a hindrance in very tight spaces. Comfort. If there's something we visit expect from an S-Class, it's comfort, and this also latest model meets those expectations. At a time when some rivals are sharing the main focus with performance, Mercedes concentrates more about refinement, plus it pays off. Seat comfort. The optional multi-contour seats are as comfortable as seats get. In addition to your numerous adjustments that supply plenty of range, the massage functions, heating and ventilation will pamper you in fashion. The available executive rear seats are equally decadent. Ride comfort. The S-Class standard suspension does an admirable job of smoothing over rough pavement. It's as effective as or superior to its impressive rivals. With the additional magic body control option, you might almost think that you're floating across the road. Noise and vibration. Very little outside noise goes into the cabin. Road and wind noise is virtually absent. This is what precisely you'd expect coming from a premium luxury sedan. Climate control. With 6 vents for your front seats, air might be distributed the best way you want. The automatic climate control functions flawlessly and requires little or no adjustment once set. The heated and ventilated seats are equally effective. Interior. As is customary together with the S-Class, the lining is impeccable. Materials quality is as effective as it gets, even though the thoughtful and attractive design justify the lofty price. The same holds true after you add options that further liven up the cabin. Ease people. The primary controls are well labeled and located for ease of usage. Other functions could be controlled with the command dial that rests right through your hand. Getting in, jetting out. Big, wide openings and soft closed doors make it all too easy to get in and out with the S-Class. You do have to shimmy a tad when parked in tight spots, nevertheless the doors are thin enough to maintain it from like a problem. Driving position. Drivers of the shape and size may find their optimal position because of the plentiful adjustments and range within them. Roominess. There's a good number of space inside the S-Class wherever you're seated. Both back and front seats have a useful room in most dimension to fully stretch. Visibility. The roof pillars obstruct outward visibility slightly, and not to a degree which is worrisome. The standard rear view camera makes backing into a spot easier, along with the available surround view camera removes any remaining guesswork. Quality. Every interior surface is in the highest quality, whether or not it's leather, metal, wood or plastic. All of these elements satisfy the expectations for any luxury sedan as expensive since the S-Class. Utility. Luxury sedans usually have generous trunks and lots of places to keep your personal items, and also the Mercedes S-Class is all about average among cars within this class. Small item storage. The moderately sized bins and cup holders are sufficient to support all of your very own effects. The optional executive rear seat plus package delivers the identical kind of storage to your back seat passengers. Cargo space. The 16 cubic foot trunk is average size for your class and may easily accommodate a big complement of luggage and golf bags. The lift-over height is low and is particularly enhanced with available hands-free activation. But opting for that premium audio upgrade will slow up the capacity to 12 cubic feet.